Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 18 healthy fruits that can help keep your mind sharp and potentially prevent Alzheimer's and dementia. Nutrition plays a crucial role in brain health, and certain fruits are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that support cognitive function and memory. Join us as we explore these delicious options and their importance in maintaining mental clarity as we age. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Blueberries. Blueberries are a powerhouse for brain health, rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Research has shown that regular consumption of blueberries is linked to improved memory and cognitive function. By incorporating these delicious berries into your daily diet, you can support optimal brain function and enhance your mental clarity, making them a must-have for anyone looking to boost their brain health. Avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that promote blood flow to the brain, which is essential for optimal cognitive function. These creamy fruits also help reduce blood pressure, which is beneficial for overall brain health. To boost your brain function, consider adding avocados to salads, smoothies, or toast. Their versatility makes it easy to enjoy their benefits in a variety of delicious meals. Oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in protecting the brain from oxidative stress. This powerful antioxidant helps prevent cognitive decline and supports overall brain health. Enjoying oranges as a refreshing snack not only satisfies your taste buds, but also boosts your memory retention and cognitive function, making them a wise choice for a healthy diet. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is essential for maintaining brain health and proper nerve function. Additionally, they contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps boost mood by promoting serotonin production. To enhance your brain function and energy levels, consider incorporating bananas into your smoothies or enjoying them at breakfast. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious and nutritious choice. Kiwis. Kiwis are rich in vitamins C and E, both of which are essential for supporting brain health and protecting against cognitive decline. Studies have shown that kiwi consumption can improve sleep quality, which in turn aids cognitive function. To reap these benefits, consider adding kiwis to your fruit salads or smoothies for a tasty and nutritious boost to your brain health. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the brain, promoting overall cognitive health. Regular consumption of pomegranates may improve memory and enhance cognitive function. To enjoy their brain-boosting properties, consider adding pomegranate seeds to salads or sipping on pomegranate juice. These delicious options make it easy to incorporate this superfruit into your diet. Strawberries. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage, making them a fantastic choice for cognitive health. Studies have linked regular strawberry consumption to improved memory and enhanced brain function. To enjoy these benefits, consider snacking on fresh strawberries or incorporating them into healthy desserts. Their sweet flavor makes them a delightful addition to your diet for better brain health. Grapes. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, a powerful compound known for its protective effects on the brain. Research indicates that consuming grapes may help improve memory and enhance learning abilities. To reap these cognitive benefits, consider incorporating grapes into your snacks or salads. Their natural sweetness and versatility make them a simple and delicious addition to your diet for improved brain health. Cherries. Cherries are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress in the brain, supporting overall cognitive health. Additionally, they may improve sleep quality, which is essential for optimal brain function and memory retention. To enjoy the mental benefits of cherries, consider eating them fresh or blending them into smoothies. Their delicious flavor makes them a delightful and nutritious choice for your diet. Apples. Apples are a great source of fiber and quercetin, both of which support cognitive function and overall brain health. Studies have linked regular apple consumption to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases, making them a wise choice for your diet. To enjoy their benefits, consider adding apples to salads or simply snacking on them for a delicious and nutritious boost. Peaches. Peaches are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support brain health and cognitive function. These delicious fruits play a role in reducing inflammation, which can negatively impact cognition. To take advantage of their brain-boosting properties, enjoy peaches fresh as a snack, or incorporate them into desserts. Their sweet flavor makes them a delightful addition to a healthy diet for better brain health. Pineapples. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that may help reduce inflammation in the brain, supporting overall cognitive health. Additionally, their high vitamin C content plays a crucial role in protecting brain cells and enhancing cognitive function. To enjoy the brain-boosting properties of pineapples, consider adding them to smoothies or tropical salads for a refreshing and nutritious treat that benefits your mind. Raspberries. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage, making them a fantastic choice for brain health. Research has shown that regular consumption of raspberries is linked to improved cognitive function and memory. To enjoy these benefits, consider adding raspberries to your smoothies or enjoying them fresh as a snack. Their vibrant flavor makes them a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only hydrating, but also essential for optimal brain function, as proper hydration supports cognitive performance. This juicy fruit is rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in protecting brain cells and enhancing mental health. To enjoy its benefits, consider indulging in watermelon as a refreshing summer snack. Its sweet flavor makes it a perfect treat for warm days. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for supporting brain health. These vitamins help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, promoting overall cognitive function. To enjoy the mental benefits of cantaloupe, consider adding it to fruit salads or blending it into smoothies for a refreshing treat. Its sweet and refreshing taste makes it a delightful addition to any meal. Papaya. Papaya is rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage, making it a valuable fruit for brain health. These antioxidants also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, which can negatively impact cognition. To enjoy the benefits of papaya, consider incorporating it into smoothies or tropical dishes for a delicious treat. Its sweet flavor adds a delightful twist to your meals while supporting cognitive function. Figs. Figs are packed with fiber and antioxidants that support brain health and cognitive function. These nutrients help protect brain cells and may enhance memory and learning abilities. Studies have linked regular fig consumption to improved mental performance. To enjoy their benefits, consider snacking on fresh or dried figs. Their unique flavor makes them a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Dates. Dates are rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress, making them a powerful ally for brain health. These nutrient-dense fruits may also play a role in improving memory and cognitive function. To enjoy their brain-boosting properties, consider incorporating dates into smoothies or energy bars for a delicious and nutritious treat. Their natural sweetness adds flavor while providing essential nutrients for optimal cognitive performance. Incorporating these top 18 healthy fruits into your daily diet is essential for supporting brain health and enhancing cognitive function. By trying these delicious options, you can enjoy their numerous benefits for memory and overall mental clarity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it for more valuable health content. Your brain will thank you.